Hey everyone, the Red Magic 10 Air has officially made its global debut, bringing over all the standout features of its Chinese variant in a package that's clearly tailored for gamers and power users. From its high-end display tech to its bleeding-edge internals, this phone continues Red Magic's legacy of pushing mobile gaming hardware forward without crossing the ultra-premium price threshold. The display is one of the phone's biggest highlights. You get a large 6.8-inch Full HD plus OLED panel with a crisp resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, but what sets it apart is the incredibly high 960 Hz touch sampling rate, a gamer's dream for lightning-fast responsiveness. The screen also delivers excellent color performance with 10-bit color depth, full DCI-P 3-color gamut coverage, DC dimming. Topping it off is a peak brightness of 1,300 nits, making it more than capable in bright outdoor conditions. Under the hood, Red Magic 10 Air is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Qualcomm's current flagship processor, paired with an Adreno 750 GPU. Whether you're playing graphically intense games, editing media, or multitasking, this chipset delivers top-tier performance. Storage options include either 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.0, alongside 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which gives you plenty of headroom for heavy multitasking and future-proofing. Red Magic OS 10, built on Android 15, is pre-installed and fine-tuned for gaming. The phone is equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, which ensures long hours of use even with power-hungry games. And when it's time to charge, 80-watt fast charging gets the job done quickly. Camera performance isn't the main selling point here, but Red Magic didn't cut corners. On the rear, it sports a 50 megapixels primary sensor paired with a 50 megapixels ultra-wide shooter. The front camera is a 16 megapixels under-display sensor. Audio also gets special attention, with dual stereo speakers, dual smart PA amplifiers. An in-display fingerprint sensor offers quick and secure access, while the phone itself is built with a slim, angular design, measuring 164.3 by 76.6 by 7.85 millimeters and weighing 205 grams. Red Magic has also introduced a new cooling accessory lineup with this launch. The VC Cooler 6 series includes the VC Cooler 6 Pro for peak performance, the standard VC Cooler 6, which clips on without MagSafe. As for pricing, Red Magic continues to impress with its aggressive value proposition. The 12 GB and 256 GB version is priced at $549. Sales for the Red Magic 10 Air begin globally on May 7th, 2025. In essence, the Red Magic 10 Air is a well-rounded powerhouse that confidently bridges the gap between premium flagships and dedicated gaming phones. With its high refresh display, top-tier chip, huge battery, and thoughtful extras like advanced cooling and a magic key, it stands out as one of the most exciting gaming smartphones of 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.